Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala, presently teaching in Campaign School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we're getting into algebraic expressions exercise 11b. A very simple exercise. What you need to do is just identify the like terms and add them or subtract them. That's it. Nothing is there in the exercise except for addition and subtraction. But you need to know which one to add, which one to subtract, which one to write first, and which one to write later. So, time and again with each question, I will keep on briefing you on that. So, for your first part, sum number 1. Everything is very simple. All of y'all can go ahead. One part 2 says just add this, that's it, or subtract it, whatever. So basically it says evaluate. So what you can do is, if you find it difficult, consider this as 1. Okay, if no number is given. So 1 minus 9 plus 2 minus 5, like that. Okay, now everything is like, because everything is b square y. So you can pull out b square y. You can say 1 minus 9 plus 2 minus 5. So now this becomes easy for you to solve because you pulled out b square y common. 1 minus 9. So your integers is what we are working. So 1 minus 9 minus 8 plus 2, so minus 6 minus 5, so minus 11. Let's recheck. Minus and both minus you can add. So minus 14 and this is plus 3. So minus 14 plus 3 will give you minus 11 b square y. That's it. Isn't it very simple? So you just need to know how to do this. This you can do it directly also. You need not take this common, and from here you can directly reach to this step. Also no problem on that. So one more sum we'll do the same way, and then next sum onwards we'll try and do it direct. Okay. So come on, pause the video. Everyone try this on your own. So I'm taking ABX common. 1, nothing, so 1 minus 15 minus 10 plus 32. Why did I do this? Because all were like, all were ABX, therefore you can do it, otherwise you cannot. Okay, so minus 25 and plus 1, so minus 24, and plus 32, so plus 8, so 8 ABX. Are you getting it, everyone? There is a chance that sometimes my answer might go wrong. I will try and see I do not do that, but just in case, no problem, stick to the basics. You should know the method more than the answer. That's more important. Remember that, yeah? So this was 11b 1 part 3, 8 ABX. Let's move further. The next one I want you to try is 1 part 5. Now here the like terms you'll have to get together and then add them. Okay, so come on, pause the video on your own, try and then come back. So first 3x square plus x square plus 5xy minus 8xy minus 4y square minus 5y square. So now what happens? 3 plus 1 becomes 4x square. Over here we are doing it directly. Okay, now plus 5 minus 8, so minus 3xy, and both minus, so minus 9y square. I hope you know the law of addition. If same signs, you have to add and put the sign. Opposite sign, you have to subtract and sign of greater number. Again same sign, so you add and put the sign. Are you getting it? So don't get confused with this. Alright, your sum number 2 says add everything. Now onwards, make a very clear point in your mind that whatever one polynomial is, put a bracket. Open the bracket and then go ahead, because without the bracket, if this is a minus sign, you got to change all the signs, which you will forget and you will mess up the entire sum. Okay, so come on, how many racing with me? Pause the video, go ahead. 8x minus 3y 7z minus 4x 5y minus 4z minus x minus z minus y minus 2z. Why minus? Because plus into minus is minus, so all signs remain the same. Getting all the like terms together, so 8x minus 4x minus x minus 3y plus 5y minus y. Underline so that you don't skip any part. 7z, 4z and minus 2z. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. We can do this direct. Now this part, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So I will just write y or 1y, that's your call, no problem. 7 minus 4 3 and 3 minus 2 1. So I will just write plus z. Is it simple? How many of you will manage to get it before me? Brilliant, I am impressed. Come on, if you still feel you are good with this, let's take one more and hit it. 2 part 4. Add everything. So I have put brackets. You take the pains of opening the bracket so that later on when there is minus, you have the habit of doing this. So a minus 3b plus 3, 2a plus 5 minus 3c, 6c minus 15 plus 6b. Now get the like terms together. So a plus 2a. Over here is there an a. Let me check if I have copied this correct. This is 2 part 4. 6c 15. Yeah, no a over here. Alright. Then further. So a's are done. Now I'm taking b. So minus 3b plus 6b. Now let me take c. So minus 3c plus 6c. Underline so you don't skip anything. Plus 3 minus 15. So 2 plus 1 3a plus 3b plus 3c minus 12. Easy? Are you able to tackle it now? See opposite signs. So therefore you subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Opposite signs we subtract and sign of greater number. Opposite signs subtract and sign of greater number. Don't forget this law so that you never go wrong. Okay? Again you got to add. So I'm taking x cube and I'm taking the common like terms together. So minus x cube. I'm just skipping one step because I don't have place, but you better do it. Okay? So I picked this, I picked this. Then minus x square y. X square y and this is xy square. Both are different. Don't get confused. X square y is here. So plus 3x square y. Plus 5xy square. Minus 9xy square plus 9xy square. All three like terms. Finally y cube plus y cube. Did I skip any of the parts? No, I didn't. So plus and minus gets cancelled. So 0. Don't even write 1. 3 minus 1. So it will give me 2x square y. 5 minus 4 will give me minus 4xy square. Oh, I skipped this. So all three are same. Now 9 plus and minus can get cancelled. So what will be left is plus 5xy square. Got this? And finally plus 2y cube. Yeah. Can I just check if my answer is correct? This is 2 part 6. So 2 part 6 says 2x square y plus 5xy square plus 2y cube. Perfect. How many of you all got the same answer? Proud of you guys and girls. Come on, go ahead. No girls? Okay, fine. Total savings is what you have to find. A person is saving this every day. What are the total savings? So total savings obviously you're going to add. So I have just put it into brackets. Now open the brackets. Get the final answer. Only then come back. Don't be cheaters. Don't laugh over there. Come on. Pause your video. So 4x minus 6y plus 6x plus 2y plus 4y minus x plus y minus 2x. So 4 plus 6 10 minus 1. So if you want you can get them together, or if you've now become smart you can do this mental math, write the answer directly, that also is fine, which I will do from the next sum onwards. Then these three also like terms I brought together. This one also, oh this one we skipped, so this has to come here. So minus 2x. So 4 plus 6 10, 10 minus 3 so 7, and on this side 4 plus 2 6 and 6 went away, so only y. So my answer should be 7x plus y. That is the total savings of a person who is saving it. So let me just check and it's correct. Write rupees because it is savings. Don't forget that. Okay. Next one. Now you got to be little smart. Don't see here. On your own go, try and then come back. 4 part 2. Subtract so and so from 8x square y. Which will come first? 8x square y or the other binomial? Subtract this from this. From this matlab this is bigger. So take this first and then take the first one. So this minus this, and don't forget brackets because now when you open the signs will change. Okay. So I will get 8x square y minus plus 2x square y plus into minus 3x y square. So these two are like. The third part is not a like term, so leave it. So 8 plus 2 10 x square y minus 3x y square. put a equal to sign everywhere, so everything is getting linked up then, and this is equal to this is equal to this, like that, and that's your final answer. Put it in brackets. Got everyone? Are you finding this chapter simple? It's not because I'm teaching well, it's because you are focusing well. So continue focusing. Don't cheat. Go there, read, make your own sum, and then come back. Come on, pause. Okay, there you go. It says again, subtract so and so from so and so. So whatever from so and so comes first, and then this one. So come on, hit it. So 3x cube, brackets very important. So minus x cube, minus plus, minus plus. So 3 minus 1 gives me 2. I'm not even getting the like terms together now. This is all alone. This is also all alone. And 6 plus 1 becomes 7. There you go. That's it. Isn't it very simple? So you can do mentally also. No problem at all. Again the same thing. Subtract this from this. So first from and then this part. So come on, open the brackets first. 3abc, 5bcd, CDA minus CAB, minus plus 4CAD, minus plus CBD. ABC, BCD, lot of confusion. Order is different, doesn't matter. Okay, for example, ABC and BCA both are one and the same. So let's write this time the like terms, otherwise we will get confused. CAB, these two are like. This is BCD, CDA, CBD, nothing is like. So let's take the next one, 5BCD. So BCD is right here. This is no BCD, this is no BCD. So plus CBD. Then minus CDA and plus 4CAD. See, CAD, CDA, they are same. If their positions are changed, that doesn't matter. The degrees have to be same and the variables have to be same. Okay. So 3 minus 1 will give me not 4, 2. 2 ABC you can write. Any one you can write, better write in alphabetic order. 5 BCD 1, so 4 BCD. 1 plus 4, so plus 3 CDA. Doesn't matter whatever order you write. But these numbers and the signs should be correct. How many got the same answer? Pat yourself. Good job. 5 part 2. Don't cheat. Go on your own. I am hiding it. Come on, go on your own. Do it and then come back. Take away so and so from so and so. So whatever from has to come first, and then this. Take away means minus. So minus. Brackets very important, so that signs change. Come on. Pause, finish, and then come back. Don't be cheaters. You should try on your own. Only then you will be able to take mathematics in a very simple way. So 3x cube, 4x square, 5x minus 6, minus plus 3x cube, minus 4x square, plus 5x, plus into minus 6. So 3x cube, 6x cube, minus 4, minus 8, plus 5, 10, minus 6. Have I copied something wrong? I believe so. No, that's correct. So 6 plus 6 minus 12. That's my answer. Weird, huh? Because both of them became exactly same. So I got a little confused if I have copied it wrong or something. Let me just check the answer. I'm not very sure about it. 6x cube minus 8x square plus 10x minus 12. It's correct. How many got the same answer? Without cheating. Not cheating from here, looking from here. Okay, 5 part 2. It's a good question. Come on your own. Frame the equation and then come back. Try. Even if you go wrong, doesn't matter, but try. Okay, it says take m square plus m plus 4 from so and so and the result from so and so. So 3 parts over here. Which one will come first? So take so and so from so and so. 1 take from 2 and 2 ka result take from 3. So 3 is going to come first. Okay. Then 1 take from 2. So 2 will come next, and then this. And here brackets very important. See, this minus this and the result to be subtracted from this. Therefore this big brackets, can you see? So that you again change sign. If you don't put these bigger brackets, you will mess up the sum. Yeah, it's a very crucial question. So m square plus m plus 1. I'm keeping it open, minus, opening a bracket, opening these inner brackets. M square plus 3m plus 6. Over here minus m square plus into minus minus m plus into minus minus 4. So I will get m square plus m plus 1. Why did I put a bracket? Anyways, let it be minus m square, so 2m square, 3m minus 1, so 2m, 6 plus 6 minus 4, so plus 2. See, now these brackets, again the sign will get affected, so twice this one's getting affected. So if you don't put this bigger brackets, you messed it up then. So m square, m plus 1, minus minus plus 2m square, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. So 2 plus 1, 3, m minus m, so minus m, 1 minus 2 minus 1, that's it. Are you getting it? How many got the same answer? That's correct. If you got any other answer, that's wrong. So stick to this bracket methods, otherwise you will mess up. Next one, 6. On your own, don't be cheaters, don't look here. Come on, go pause the video, try and then come back. Okay, sixth one says, subtract the sum of this and this from this. Sum of this and this, subtract from this. So this will come first. Read the English correctly, otherwise you will mess up. You need to know how to convert English into mathematical language. So subtract the sum of this and this from this. So come on, let's do it. 6y square y minus 2 in one bracket minus. These two the sum, so you can directly add 5 plus 1, 6. Even if you don't open brackets, doesn't matter, because plus sign is our friend. It doesn't do anything. Minus is our enemy. If it is minus, you have to change everything. Don't forget that. Y minus 3, so minus 2. Minus 3 plus 7, so plus 4, but in brackets, because our enemy is out over there. So now open this. 6y square y minus 2 minus 6y square plus 2y minus 4. Plus 6 minus 6 cancels. Y plus 2y becomes 3y. Minus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 6. How many hands go up? Same answer. So let me just check if my answer is correct for sum number 6. It's perfect. Great job. 7th. What should be added from so and so to get so and so? So you say let A be added. Frame an equation and then come back, I'll show you. Try. So let A be added. So this plus A is equal to this. Keep this A over here. Send everything on the other side. So when you transfer this on the RHS, all the signs will change. So do it carefully, get the answer, come back then. Go away, come on. So x4, x square minus 1, sending this on the other side, so minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and again plus becomes minus. So A becomes x4 minus x4 cancels, x cube, x square plus minus also cancels, minus x, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So you can say therefore x cube minus x minus 4 should be subtracted, and that's it. They asked what should be subtracted, you said that this should, sorry, not subtracted, added. They said what should be added, so you said A be added. If they say what should be subtracted, you say A should be subtracted and write minus A, and then take minus A on the other side, make it plus, and get all this on this side and make it minus. Are you getting it? Same thing, nothing to worry, just go very smooth. Exactly what I said is your next one. Sum number 8. Oh, no cheating, come on, go away, stop laughing. 8th one. How much more than this is this? How much more than this is this? This is how much more. So you need to subtract, write this first. See, the entire game is to understand which one will come first. If you've not understood that and you copy it from here, you had it in the exam. So please don't copy. Even if you go wrong, build your understanding. That's more important. So 5x square, 10xy, y square, minus 2x square, minus 4xy, plus into minus 2y square. So 5 and this together. So 5 minus 2 gives me 3. You can do this direct. 10 minus 4 will give me 6. And y square minus 1 minus 2, so minus 3. That's it. Let me check. I don't want to take any chances with you all. Sum number 8, part 1. It's correct. It's absolutely correct. No problem. Come on, 8 part 2. Exactly same type. Try it. You will get it. How much less 2a square plus 1 is than this? How much this is less than this? So therefore you have to write this next and this first. See, understanding which one will come first. How much is this? Less than this. ये इससे कितना कम है? So this will come first. So 3a square minus 6 minus plus into minus minus. So 3 minus 2 gives me a square minus 6 minus 1, so minus 7. Managed? Clear? Are you getting it? I'm very happy if you're getting it. No problem. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 9. 9 is simple. They have given you x, y and z as some other variables and you got to find the value of this expression. So 2 times x, substitute x in this, substitute y in this and substitute z in this and then solve. It's a very interesting one. So 2 times, so put a bracket, okay. For x, 6a, 8b, 9c in brackets and close, minus y, so y 2b, 3a, 6c in brackets. Brackets very important. Without brackets you will mess up everything. Minus 3z, so z is c minus b plus 3a. So let's open. 6 2s are 12a, 16b, 18c, multiply. Here minus sign for all of them, so minus 2b, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Again minus and 3 both, so don't forget. So 3 with c, minus 3c, minus minus plus, plus into minus, minus 9a. So you are multiplying plus you are giving the effect of minus sign. So two things together. Now like terms, 12a, 3a and 9a. So 12 plus 3, 15. 15 minus 9 will give us 6. So I will write 6a. Then b, b and b. So 16 minus 2 is 14 and 14 plus 3 is 17b. 18 plus minus. So 18 plus 6, 24. 24 minus 3, 21. So plus 21c. Put it in brackets to look smart and leave the sum there itself. Is that correct? Sum number 9 part 3, please tell us. 6a, 17b, 21c. Perfect. Can you now try part 4? I have already shown you how to do the third one. 3y minus 2z minus 5x. Come on, pause. Everyone try on your own. You get it wrong, doesn't matter. But try. You should know where you're going wrong. Only then you can improvise. If you're not knowing where you're going wrong, you're copying from here, you're just becoming machines then. Come on, try it. So 3y, what is y? 2b minus 3a minus 6c minus 2z. So c minus b plus 3a minus 5x. X is 6a, 8b, 9c. Yeah? Let's open the brackets now. And let's see what do you get. So 3 2s are 6b minus 9a minus 18c. This is 2 into c, so minus, 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 plus. First the sign, then the numbers are 2b, plus into minus, minus 6a, minus 30a, minus 40b, plus 45c. What mistake have I done? Bullseye. Plus into minus, minus. Don't forget that. Now like terms, first go for alphabetic, so go for A first. So minus, 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 everything minus. So 9 minus 6, 15, because both negatives, so you are adding. So minus 15 minus 30 minus 45 A. So we got the first alphabet variable A. Now let's go for B. So 6b, 2b and 40b. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 8 minus 40. So minus 32b. Likewise for C now, 1, 2, 3 left, all minus, so you're going to add 18 plus 2, 20, minus 45, so 65C. All are negative. I don't know if my answer is correct, I am little worried. Let's check, please tell me if I am correct. Minus 45, 32, 65C, perfect. Good job, thank you so much for helping me. Let's go to the next one, 11th. They say a triangle's perimeter is this, side 1, side 2, find side 3. So what is the formula? Perimeter is side 1, side 2, side 3. That's it. Substitute everything in their places, get everything on the LHS and you will be able to get the value of side 3. It's very simple, try it. Perimeter 8y square, 9y plus 4. Side 1, 3y square, 5y plus, put brackets. Side 2, 4y square 12 and side 3. Open your brackets now. So 8y square, 9y plus 4, 3y square, 5y, 4y square plus 12 plus side 3. Here nothing changed. Then why did I tell you to put brackets? So that later on when there is minus, you have the habit and you don't go wrong. There is no harm if you write one extra step, but there is a harm if you do not cultivate a habit. Okay. So 8y square minus 3y square plus becomes minus 4y square minus 9y plus 5y plus 4 minus 12 equals to side 3. So we kept this here and everything else on the other side. So we changed their signs. At the same time we got the like terms also together. So minus plus 4y square is here. So again minus and this also minus. Now like terms, all these three together. 8 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1. So 1y square. Even if you don't write this one, that's all right. 9 minus and plus. So opposite signs you subtract and sign of greater number. So minus. Again opposite signs you subtract. So side 3. So you can say therefore side 3 is y square minus 4y minus 8. That's how you can reduce from the perimeter the third side. Let's check if we are correct. Y square minus 4y minus 8. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. 13th. What should be subtracted from this to get this? So use your logic, English. What should be subtracted? So let A be subtracted. To get means equal to this. Got it? Now push this A on the other side, RHS, make it positive, and get all this on the LHS and make them negative. So I'll get 19x4 minus 8x4 plus 2x cube minus 22x cube. See, plus I am writing minus 30x plus 7x minus 37 plus 60. So all this is on the LHS now and this will go on the RHS. So equals to A. So what has to be subtracted? Solve it and your answer is there. So here the difference will be 11x4 minus 20x cube plus 37x plus 23. Is it 23? 33, 30, 40, 50, 60. Perfect. So you will say therefore 11x4, 20x cube, 37x plus 23 should be subtracted, and that's it. That's your answer. Are you getting it? Was it really simple? Let's check if sum number 13 answers correct. 11x4, 20x, 37, 23. Perfect. Simple. This exercise is really very simple. So 15th one, the last question. How much bigger is this one than this? How big is this than this? So just subtract these two. Now take this one only first. See, they're changing the statements every time. So read, understand English and then try. How big is this than this? So we subtract, we'll come to know how big it is. So 5x square y square, 18xy square, 10x square y, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, equal to. So 5x square y square. Is there any other x square y square? No. So keep it all alone. No partner for you. 18xy square. Is there a partner? Here only. No, not here. This one. Minus 6. Oh, not even that one. So this is also all alone. xy square. See, this is x square y, x square y. So next will be minus 10x square y minus 6x square y plus 5x square plus 7xy. So let's see. This is again alone. Yeah, this is also alone. These two are like, so 16 times. This is alone and this is also alone. So no like terms, you can't add them. So leave them like that only. If they are like terms, then you will add. Let's see if we are correct. 5x square y square, 18x, 16xy square, 5xy and 7xy. Perfect. For your homework, I want you to try 1 part 4, 2 part 3 and 5, 4 part 3 and 5, 10, 12 and 14. It's very important that you do self practice on your own, self study little bit at least. That means these sums, so you get a good advantage of it. All right. So please don't be lazy. Do your work honestly. Until the next video, please take care, stay safe, and pray for everyone. Very important. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.